More. Careful when you are going to leave a space like this, you know?
What you do now?
I'm putting my from here to clear my back.
To clear your back?
Because I have to look at that. So I go here, we clear that, so now I can come here to clear the back of the car. Have to look.
Very wide.
And then now I can come here.
But then you know that to clear it.
I have to take it wide in there. And I have to be looking in my mirror how far I am from that car in there. Otherwise I will touch it.
Alright, everyone. We're back here. And we're going on the road again.
A bike.
A fitter or
Alright.
Okay, we're on the road now.
how small size a fit or the
Come on. Where you say you're going, Mega Man?
What do you mean, muffin?
because Mama
What kind of muffin? Do you mean the blueberry one? Blueberry. I love those. I love them.
I'm not buying for you, I'm buying for Mom.
But I like strawberry cheese. But the mom likes to share her stuff with us. Like how she shared her birthday cake with us. And we were at maybe she'll share her muffins too.
But I need to
Tiny
buy
tots.
something
Little
to
children.
have food. So I don't have to come.
Huh?
I need to get some food.
So when are you going to buy? No.
But I don't want to buy a Mega Man. That's expensive.
That's why I'm not buying. I'm just buying with specific things.
𝐷𝐄𝐿.
So you can buy it when you're coming back.
Mommy.
Tomorrow is your
Mommy, 𝐷𝐄𝐿.
What?
Daddy!
Is tonight you're
Kills
coming
your
back?
speed.
Tomorrow.
Mommy, does speed kill your speed?
It says speed kills. Kill your speed. So that means that speed, if you go too fast, it can cause you to be in an accident where somebody dies. So that's what they're saying. Kill your speed. Kill your speed means slow down.
Yeah, that means stop going too fast.
Right.
And this is Mega Mart.
Oh yeah, we're here. So can I go with you with a man?
Oh, we need. If mommy go alone, she go faster, you know.
No?
Yeah, she can go faster if she
No,
goes
if I, same thing will happen if I'm with her.
No,
Yeah?
no, Winnie, because they have to put hand sanitizer, something, thing, and so.
Because it seems like you're not using it now. Because I don't see you using it.
One moment. Oh, so this is Mega Mart. We are going to buy.
Mega Mart out of many, one, two. What does that mean?
They wanted to make it like that because remember the thing for Jamaica say out of many one people.
Oh, yes. So can I use your
Wait.
phone?
Okay, let me tell you what happened. Right? at the back, Amos.
Huh?
Put that at the back.
Yeah, but you don't want to leave. You don't want the bird now?
Put that inside.
You know that the raisin bread is now $400 and something.
Really?
Price gone up. I don't know, everything, the price of everything is higher. But if anything they're going to let me, gosh.
Don't hit that so hard, man.
Oh, it's I didn't hit it hard.
Come here, come here, come here.
I felt it back. I just sprayed my hands on it. I said, bien, please, yes, sir?
I'm so hungry.
I'm gonna get this one. Hold this up, though.
And the patty. I love the chicken patty.
Come on.
Yeah?
There's a group of children there. Well, 2 teenagers.
Oh,
Teenagers. That are there.
you got some vegetables for you.
Look at this.
Vitamin C.
They are just around taking pictures with
How do I use them?
they have
drink
like-
them.
Yes, yes,
they had
They taste sweet.
they had like one of those things that they have for birthday, like with the numbers,
Oh,
or one number, and then they are just posing in front of cars and taking pictures.
somebody's birthday.
Yeah, but they go on top, in front of cars. So one is washing, one is looking that the person don't come, and they are just taking pictures.
Oh, so they
Yeah.
look for nice cars.
Yeah, and they I need to get some money for the cars.
So why didn't you tell they have an NCD?
Oh,
They have an NCD ATM in there. Don't you use NCD?
yeah.
Because the Scotia one wasn't working.
Oh, we could have gone this way to check the price of gas. Yeah, but I wanted some money for gas
So where are you going?
here in City. But I wanted to see the gas station for real. Not to buy now, but to check the price.
Winter was saying that the price there was more than 20 something. Well, that was when Bashco was also at 120.
I need to compare because somebody just commented in my video
And so it's not the cheapest?
and said that the cheapest is the new one
Right.
by 𝐿𝐃𝐄.
Right, that's the one that Jason was talking about. So they need to pass by there and say, okay, this is really the cheapest. You can do another video.
Wait, that person waiting on it? No, this one. I thought they were waiting on it.